2, 3.
At Spring ISD, history is being made. 90 years in the making. The halls of Spring High School now echo with the soul of mariachi, a long-awaited program giving students a chance to embrace their culture through music.
What inspired me to start the program here was Dr. Hinojosa, who is from South Texas. The community I'm from was born and raised is 2 miles from the community she's born and raised, and I didn't know that until maybe a couple years ago. So she wanted a mariachi group.
But mariachi is more than music. It's identity, tradition, and a dream come true for these students.
Entonces, cuando que me enteré que iba a haber una nueva banda, me hizo sentirme muy feliz porque pude ver que al fin podemos tener la música en español.
For Valeria and her fellow musicians, this is more than just a class. It's a way to connect with their families and culture.
Estaban súper emocionados por mí, más mi mamá, que ella también le gusta mucho cantar y cuando que le dije que yo me quería unir, ella estaba súper feliz por mí, siempre diciéndome cuándo vas a tener prácticas y tus presentaciones.
Better. When the singers come in, let's back down the rhythm section.
Guiding them is director J.D. Guzman, a two-time Grammy-winning educator with over 20 years at Spring ISD.
And music in general is very important because it's culture and it's language from all over the world. So in 1 year, I'm teaching classical music that comes basically from Europe. I'm teaching jazz music that comes from America. And now I'm getting to share mariachi music, which comes, from Mexico.
Building this program wasn't easy. Comenzó con una sorpresa, a discovery that will set the foundation for something special.
I didn't know that we had uniforms. It was a surprise when I saw them arrive here and I had the kids put them on, and it was a very exciting day for our program.
Pues mis padres vienen de México. Me hace muy feliz para escuchar esta música y me encanta jugar guitarra.
For Angel, music has always been a way to express himself. But mariachi, that's something deeper.
We put on the first uniform to Angel. He looked at me, he had watery eyes, and he said, "Sir, I've never felt so proud wearing a uniform."
That excitement grew when the students took the stage for the first time. Yes, por primera vez.
Our first performance at the school board meeting, seeing the tears on their faces, and the best reaction was from Dr. Hinojosa. It just melted her heart.
Entonces, para enseñar eso, yo entré a una banda mexicana como un hondureño para enseñarle a los demás que no se importa que si no sos mexicano, siempre puedes ser parte de una cosa grande.
That sense of pride is what keeps this group growing, welcoming new musicians and breaking barriers.
It's a new environment. It's people that I've never worked with. It's music that I've never played, and it's just something completely different that I've never done.
Y para estos estudiantes, mariachi isn't just music, it's belonging, it's pride. It's proof that no matter your background, there is a place for you in this band.
Música vive en mi corazón. El mismo cariño que yo tengo por la música, yo quiero que ellos van a hacer muchas cosas en la vida con esa música, y las oportunidades que tienen va a ser más mejor.